What's up, guys? If your F-150's wheels look tucked in too far, your tires are rubbing, or you just want that wider, more aggressive stance, wheel spacers are the easiest fix out there. No major mods, no lift kit needed. Just bolt them on and your truck looks and handles completely different. Links to everything are in the video description. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 4 with Dynofit, available in 1.5 and 2 inch. These are hub-centric, so they sit flush against the hub and eliminate any wobble or vibration. No sketchy loose feeling at highway speed. One thing Dynofit does differently is stick with grade 10.9 bolts instead of the harder 12.9, because under extreme stress, these deform instead of snapping clean, which gives you a warning before a failure. 1-year warranty, 30-day refund. Solid budget-friendly pick for 2015 and newer F-150 owners. At number 3, Rough Country keeps it refreshingly simple with their 2-inch spacers. Hub-centric design, pre-installed studs, corrosion-resistant aluminum sold in pairs. What you're paying for here is the Rough Country name. These guys have been building truck accessories for decades and stand behind their stuff. No drilling, no modification, just bolt them on. If you want a straightforward 2-inch spacer from a brand you've probably already trusted for other parts on your truck, this is a no-brainer. Coming in at number 2, KSP offers 1.5 and 2-inch options. These are hub-centric, with a centering lip that locks onto the hub perfectly. Zero vibration, zero guesswork. The kit ships with 24 open-ended lug nuts, which is actually safer than closed-ended ones, because you can see exactly how far the stud is threading in. Torque them to 85 to 95 foot-pounds, and you're done. Everything you need is in the box, and KSP backs it with real customer support that responds within 24 hours. And the top spot goes to Spidertrax with their 1 3/4 inch blue spacers. And these are in a different league. Every single part is made in the USA, from the aluminum billet to the lug nuts. The chromoly wheel studs are coated with geomet for 10 times the rust resistance of standard zinc hardware. Hub and wheel-centric fit means no shimmy at any speed, and the double anodized finish won't fade or flake. Also fits the Raptor. If you want to buy once and never think about it again, Spidertrax is your answer. And that's the 4 best wheel spacers for your Ford F-150. From a solid budget pick all the way up to the premium USA-made Spidertrax, every build and budget is covered. All the links are right there in the video description. Go grab the one that fits your setup. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. We drop new truck content every week. Catch you in the next one.